So we are going to measure pressure in the cell and compressor gasket. Yeah, now we can see the gasket. And now let's check the pressure. Let's measure the Raman, Diamond Raman. Okay, so it's fixed. Yeah, it's this device. It seems like we already got it here. So let's stop, go back to video, and let's see what's there. It's Onyx. Okay, some mistakes as usual. Okay, and now we can see that what's the pressure? It's 1400 invert centimeters, so it means the pressure a little bit higher than we expected, that we planned. It's how much? I think anyway it's enough. In any case it's enough, so let's open the Raman spectrometer. Yeah, go back, go down, go down, go down, go down. Now we can take the cell out. So this is it, and the gasket is pressed. Okay. Okay, here I would like to show that we have also bottom light, handmade bottom light to see what's a sample. You can see it's very helpful actually for measuring Raman and for searching for the best position, especially for 50 micron culet cells. Yeah, it works.
Some imaginary already.
Yeah, so the pressure is 177 GPa, it's a red line, you can see. I think we can stop with it now. Yeah, so bottom light works. Yeah, stop with it.